back to my channel. My channel is 4 years old. It has been a blast making so many videos for you all to watch and enjoy. From nostalgic family recipes to a 3-tier cake to celebrate the anniversary of an amusement park. So to celebrate the 4th anniversary, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make some tasty Pignoli cookies. If you like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and hit the notification button so you're up to date on the newest video. So let's put on our chef's coats, and let's get baking.
To make the Pignoli cookies, you'll need 7 ounces of almond paste, a half a cup of granulated sugar, 1 egg white, 1/8 teaspoon of almond extract, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1 cup of pine nuts. To get started, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Slice up or break apart the almond paste and place it into either a food processor or electric mixer with a paddle attachment. Give it a quick blend until it looks crumbly. If you're using an electric mixer, the mixing process will be a tad longer than using a food processor. Next, add in the sugar, salt, and almond extract and blend together. Separate and lightly whisk the egg white until frothy, then add it to the mixture. Blend until it forms a thick, smooth paste. Make sure to scrape down the sides of the bowl periodically. Scoop the dough and roll each one into a ball with the palm of your hands. Roll the ball of dough in the pine nuts, then line them on a baking sheet with some parchment paper about 2 inches apart. Bake in the oven for about 18 minutes or until the pine nuts and the edge of the cookies have a golden color. Let them cool completely, dust some powdered sugar if you'd like, and enjoy some tasty homemade Pignoli cookies.
And that is it. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and hit the notification button so you're up to date on the newest video. Also share this video with your friends and family and tell them to subscribe as well. It's totally free to subscribe and we have a lot of fun on this channel. I had a great time making the Pignoli cookies and I hope you did as well. These are simple, tasty Italian cookies to enjoy. Also, thank you to everyone who has watched my videos over the past 4 years and has supported me. Thank you again so much. I love you all and there's plenty more videos to come. If you recreate the Pignoli cookies or any other desserts I've made on this channel, please DM me at this Instagram account to get an awesome shout out. I would love to see your creations. Hope everyone's staying safe and well. Enjoy your Pignoli cookies and have a great day. Bye!